Okay, the next thing that we did that day, or today and yesterday, was converting things to standard form. You've already learned slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, right? That's slope-intercept. And the next one that you learned was, or today, ax plus by equals c. This is standard form. Okay, so notice a couple of things here. The x and y are on the same side, and here a, b, and c are just numbers. It's important to note that both a and b cannot be 0. One of them can be 0, or the other one can be 0, but not both of them. Okay, so if we're over here, we want to get this into standard form. We need to get the x over here with the y. Solve this just like any other algebra problem. This is a positive 4x. So to move it to the other side, we need to do the opposite or the inverse of what that is. So the opposite of a positive 4x is a minus 4x. You have to do it to both sides. Okay, these are not like terms, so we can't combine them. Instead, we just have to write 4x, negative 4x plus y equals negative 7. Okay, the other thing we want to note here is, first we said x and y on same side. The other thing is we don't want any fractions. Okay, but in this example, there are no fractions. It's in its simplest form. So this right here is the final answer. You may also see it where the x is positive. So you could see it 4x minus y equals positive 7, so that everything, like these are positive where you divide by a negative 1 everywhere. So either of those are correct. I'll be just fine with that one. But let's look at one like number 29. Okay, number 29 is y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Okay, again, we want x and y on the same side, and we don't want any fractions. So the first step I'm going to do is clear the fraction. And we've done this before when we were solving other types of equations. But you look at the common denominator. You can put y over 1, and you can put 3 over 1. So finding the common denominator between 1, 2, and 1, that's going to be 2. So we're going to multiply the entire equation by 2. Well, 2 times y is 2y. 2 times 1/2 is just 1x. And 2 times a negative 3 is a negative 6. So we're done with all of the fractions. But I still need this x over here. The opposite of a positive x is a minus x to both sides. So we would have negative x plus 2y equals negative 6. Again, this may not be an answer choice on a test. You may see a positive x. So if we would divide everything by negative 1, you would get x minus 2y equals a positive 6. That's just a little prettier. Like I said, I'll accept either one.